gosh, Jen, where is Chris?
I have no idea.
I texted him. I was like, let's go.
Hey there, everybody. Chris Beatty from Growertalks magazine covering the 2026 California Spring Trials. This time, I'm at Pour Lamar Nursery, which is not an exhibitor here at Trials, but they're hosting Benary's trial, and they set up a really cool display of their own products, and I wanted to show you some. For instance, did you know Pour Lamar breeds zygo cactus? They sell 300 varieties of tropical plants. Oh, they breed hydrangeas as well. And roses, miniature roses, gorgeous miniature roses. They produce cyclamen, I mean, all kinds of great things. So I wanted to give you a behind the scenes tour of the host here for Benary's trial. But I think the kids are waiting for me out there to cover the real trial. So come along and let's see if we can figure out where they are. All right, you kids ready to go?
Where have you been?
Seriously, all day.
I was
waiting.
going to say the same about you guys. I was just taking the folks on a tour of Pour Lamar Nursery, our home here for Benary.
Okay, well, that's nice.
I'll take you through later.
Okay.
We will redo it.
All right.
Sounds good.
In the meantime, let me grab up Bill and Jen, and let's go see what's happening at Benary
Okay.
here at Pour Lamar Nursery.
Nice.
We are inside the greenhouse. Well, that's obvious we're inside the greenhouse. The folks know that. They own greenhouses.
They do.
Here at Benary, at Pour Lamar Nursery, Santa Barbara, California, covering the 2026 trials. And the first thing they showed us is pretty darn striking.
It is. This is street art pentas.
It's bigger than
Check it
me.
out.
It's huge.
It is
It's
bigger
huge,
than
and I
Jen.
think the way they're showing it in this big container, really, I think that this is the use, right? This is the big municipal planters, big baskets, big containers. I don't know how much larger this is in graffiti, but it is significantly larger.
It's too bad the name Big was taken. They might have called it Big.
Yeah,
That's
no
a good
kidding.
point. That's a good point.
But
There's three colors.
But Osvaldo is pointing at something. I think he honed in on the real treat here. This color.
Yeah, that's the blue. So this is the first blue pentas, street
Certainly
art blue.
the first blue seed pentas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because this is all from seed, we should mention at
Oh, yeah,
Benary.
yeah,
Everything's
yeah.
from seed.
And here's all 4 colors in the series all in a row right here.
That's right. So you got-
Rose, red, white, and blue.
and they are, well, they're a German company, but they're celebrating America. You see a lot of American flags around with a 250th year celebration.
Yep.
And they conveniently noted how good the red, white, and blue pentas look together in a pot.
Yeah.
Perfect for Memorial Day or
Very nice.
Independence Day.
That's right.
But we mentioned, well, street art. Although, wait, let's talk about this one first. Introduced last year, the most unique pentas on the market, Graffiti Falls.
A true trailing.
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
still-
you can see it tumbling over the side of these containers.
And still a standalone for now.
Yep,
for now.
For now.
For now.
But
for now.
a street art ties in with the name to their original, goes back, gosh, 30 years or something? Maybe not quite that far. Graffiti. And
I'll go get it.
You go get it,
Yeah.
Jenzy. What are you going to get?
I'm going to get something fun.
She's going to get something fun. You may have a hint because we showed you a blue street art. This is an experimental blue, lavender blue, they're calling it, graffiti. They've got enough of them here to where I'm pretty sure they're going to be introducing it. Yeah?
Yeah, I think so.
Safe bet.
Probably just not enough seed to fill the huge number of orders they're going to
Yeah,
get
no
in
kidding.
year
Exactly
one.
right. Years ago, I was told by Benary that Benary is begonias,
Yep.
as well as pentas. But look at all the begonias they've got here, and we want to stop to look at 2, I think, coming by here. One is, it's nothing groundbreaking. It's a mix of non-stops. They're classic tuberous begonias. These are selected for uniformity and timing across the series. Like a
Beautiful.
good grower mix.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
If you want to grow
Not
just a
stop's
few varieties.
mainstay in the
Oh,
market.
yeah, I love 'em.
Right.
Nice to have a select mix.
and then these are their Whoppers. Now, Bill, these are...
This is a ball seed exclusive from day one. So they came out with bigs and whoppers at the same time. Whopper's always gone through that ball broker system.
And Osvaldo, if you hone in more to the right on this giant specimen, because it probably shows it off better than anything, their newest introduction is Whopper Rose Espresso.
And that's because of the color of the foliage, which is so dark.
Yeah.
And Jen's
And
going to
this is the-
compare it here to the bronze Whopper, and it's I mean, is two completely
Bronze
different
used
colors.
to look dark to me.
Yeah.
Now it's like a green.
Yeah, no
It's true.
kidding.
It's true.
We don't know. We assume there will be other espressos coming along, but for now, that's a standalone and a ball exclusive. So they're pretty lucky to be able to get that.
You can have espresso beans.
That's true.
They are giving away espresso beverages and
Yes.
espresso beans. We're going to head back up past another existing series. They're big begonias where we get, well, really what they said is sort of the opposite of that dark espresso. This is big, soft pink bronze leaf.
No, I think this is their only or first soft pink they have in a
Well,
lot
I
of the
asked
bo-
that. I said,
yeah.
do you have soft pink as a color in any of the other
Yeah. It's like a baby
series?
pink.
And they do not. So that's kind of the first color in that one.
More bigs. They do have the green leaf types as well.
And if
bigs are
bigs versus whoppers, Bill, aren't whoppers? I think they
Whoppers
said are
bigger
about,
than big.
they're like 20% taller or something
Than,
like
than
that.
big, yeah. It's a little bit of a different habit.
It's a
Same
safe
breeding
number.
program, different habits.
Well, another begonia.
Oh,
a new
this
one.
Another new
This is
begonia.
cool, and what a great name. So we looked at it, and it's called Wookie, like Chewbacca. And I was wondering, why is it called Wookie? Is it because he's big? But no, it's not. This is a fuzzy foliage and fuzzy stemmed begonia.
Is a Wookiee fuzzy?
Yes.
From head to toe.
Absolutely. I've never hugged one, but I would imagine it's fuzzy. They
All
look
right.
soft
kinda
and
smelly.
cuddly. But what they're saying about this new Wookie, and there's two colors, right? There's white splash
here's-
and
Yep.
pink splash.
Here's the pink splash down here.
But this might be, and they're not making any claims yet, but they're testing if this is deer resistant because of the fuzzy foliage.
That's fuzzy, Jen.
Yeah.
And
it
if they
is.
can make a deer resistant claim, this thing's going to be a
Oh, yeah.
massive seller
And the
instantly.
fuzzy leaves also hold water a little bit more. I think he
that's
said.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now everything,
Again, big for huge container.
Oh, yeah.
almost everything at this trial was grown right here at Port Lamar.
That's right.
Which is very nice. Not everything. There was only one thing that didn't make it.
Just
and it
a
would have
pretty,
been nice
pretty
to
good
see.
batting average for a plant
Hey.
trial.
It's last year, I think it was last year, they introduced the first F1 lobelia from seed. It's called Masterpiece. Their standalone variety is blue with eye. According to the picture, they have now added
Sky
a
blue.
sky blue.
But it's not here.
Oh, it's not
Sadly,
here.
sadly,
Yes.
not here.
But if
But
it
they
looks
said the photo is very representative
Yeah.
of the color, and I believe them.
right,
Boom. Petunias.
Bill, you all right?
Boom.
Were you
Boom is
Emerald
Benary's,
Lagasse?
Boom is Benary's seed Petunia line. The HD is high density, as Osvaldo is showing you. Very uniform, very compact.
And these are
And-
multifloras, I believe.
Yes, they are.
All right.
But then new for this year, new for 2027 is the TR, which stands for trailing Boom Purple and Boom Lavender. Two new ones in the multiflora trailing
Ooh.
type.
All right. And
We got to show this off. I mean, this is a little bit better example of
Oh,
that
yeah, the
graffiti lavender
experimental.
blue experimental. I mean, that's a nice color.
that's going to do well. And lastly, they've got some component plants because life is not just all boom petunias and
Giant
lavender
Whopper
blue.
blooms.
So they had
Pentas.
silver surfer last
Yep.
year, and now they've got green surfer. So you can kind of see the silver's got like more like a soft leaf, and this is green.
Those are
Dichondra.
dichondras. for
Yeah,
those who need to
dichondra.
know
Yes,
the
thank
botanical
you.
name.
And then an Isolepis
Yep. Fiber
Well
optic
done.
grass.
grass.
Named.
Iggy.
So we got Wookiees and Iggies.
Iggy's and Whoppers and Bigs and
Espresso.
graffitis and
And
street
street
art.
I mean,
Obviously
we
the-
could have a party in here.
And we just might.
There's a tent over there where the party is going on. We're not partaking because we've got to travel up the road
do.
and keep covering the 2026 California
But we-
Spring Trial.
We might go catch a wave.
But don't you think wherever we are, that's what the party is?
I think that's pretty much true. There is a little surfing going on. There's word that Osvaldo is in second place
Yeah,
in the
he's pretty
Benary
good.
surf competition.
Yeah.
Gnarly dude.
Hang 10.
You grommet.
He's like, yeah.
Yeah.